Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We're back out in the warehouse. I know you've all used pool sand before. We've got something new for you. This is crushed glass. So there's 3 benefits to this in your sand filter. One is it backwashes a lot better than regular sand. It releases dirt, gets rid of it. And when you backwash, it just purifies itself a lot better. Second, when you go to use this, you get to use a lot less of it than you do of the sand. So there's a chart on the back of it that tells you how much to use ratio-wise. The third benefit to glass is that you never have to change it. So unlike sand that gets compact and hardened over time, glass, you can keep that in your filter. It's going to work great, filter for years. On this glass, we've got plenty of this down, 2710 West Bell Road at the warehouse, or check us out at ePoolSupply.com. I'm Greg. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.